Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send a document on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on docusign.com and then select this option right here called send a document. Now you need to upload your file right here by just selecting this upload button and then scroll down, and now you need to enter here the name and then enter here the email address, and after that you need to add the recipient here. Now enter here the email subject and then write down the email message, and after following these steps you just need to select on this view plans option, and that's how you guys can successfully send a document to anyone on DocuSign. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.